What if in your Notes application you could double-click the things you type? Not just URLs, but also web searches and nerdy stuff like shell commands, code, and database queries, right in your Notes. What if you could type any word and double-click on it to start a Docker container, find a good font awesome icon, or browse your React components, and interact with other frameworks and tools right from your Notes? What if you could double-click questions to interact with AI interfaces? What if your Notes were just markdown files, and you could double-click snippets to run them? What if you could type a global keyboard shortcut anytime and just start typing a new note? Or use your favorite text editor, or click the side to show the sidebar and window title and navigate your notes. Xiki is the ultimate notes app for nerds. We nerds make a lot of notes, so what if searching your notes was always just a global keyboard shortcut away? Check it out, I'm searching my CSS notes for shadow, and double-clicking to run the snippet. What if you could search while coding, like for how to make a loop, and insert right into your favorite code editor? What if you could search right from your command line, like for how to undo a git commit, and run commands right from your notes? Nerds love to search the internet. What if when there are no matches in your notes, it searched the internet to find notes contributed by others? Check it out, I'm searching the internet and finding stuff right away. Search the internet with Xiki. It's better than web searching because it's always just a global keyboard shortcut away, and there's no SEO and flashy ads and images to distract you from getting right to the answer. And you can click links when you need more. And you can search the internet right from your command line and code editor. When there are no contributed notes yet, it falls back to popping up a web search in your browser, so you'll always get results. Nerds hate spam, so what if the good results got voted to the top and bad spammy results got voted out? There are links to web pages, as well as snippets you can double-click, like this GraphQL example and this React snippet. Let's search for S3 to immediately see the most important S3 commands. Now let's run this command in line and double-click again to collapse. Nerds love hashtags. So what if when you find something good, or just type something good yourself, you could hashtag it? This will save this command into your aws.md file. Now you can just type AWS to find it. Nerds love to have control over their data. Since your notes are just files, you can do whatever you want with them, like sync to Dropbox or share on GitHub. What if you could make notes with just a few lines, or notes with hundreds of searchable headings, like for your favorite language? Or make notebooks for running commands, because nerds love commands. And dynamically filter the output as you go. Nerds love to customize, so what if it was easy to create your own little double-clickable interfaces? Here's one I made for sending text messages with Twilio. Here's one someone else created for browsing Postgres tables and updating records. I found it while searching and added it to my notes. What if the hello world for making a working interface was as trivially easy as typing a code snippet or command, with a lowercase markdown heading? Here's a snippet that makes killing processes really fast. Here are some frequent commands for my project. Here are a couple Electron snippets for mocking up a mobile app with React. Here's a Swift snippet for setting a random desktop video. Search snippets and interfaces for hundreds of tools, databases, APIs, and languages. Use Xiki to learn new tech, like AI, blockchain, and VR. Finally, nerds love keyboard shortcuts, so what if you could type hashtags anywhere to create new system-wide global keyboard shortcuts, like to run commands for your project, or pretty much anything else. Make double shortcuts like in Vim and Emacs, and see completions when you pause. And make swipe shortcuts, like swiping down while typing R, to instantly search your Rust notes. Go to Xiki.org and sign up for the beta, and get an awesome Xiki t-shirt when you support the project.